Hi. So there is a very small difference between first problem and second problem. Okay, what is the small difference between? So here, okay. So in the first problem, they have given two angles. Okay, they have given two angles. But in this problem, instead of angle, they have given a length. Okay, means they have given in front of above HP, in front of VP and above HP. Okay, and they have given an end projector. Okay, how to solve we shall see. So line AB 20 mm above HP and in front of VP. Okay, so everything is given. So but instead of angle they are given 60 mm above HP and 45 mm in front of VP, and distance between the hand projector is 70 mm. Okay, we shall see how to solve this problem. Yeah, first I'll draw XY line. First I'll draw XY line. Okay, so X, Y, VP, HP. Okay, now, and then they given 20 mm above HP, so this is 20 mm. Okay, now, so draw locus lines. Don't draw continuous line. Okay, next is 30 mm in front of VP, so 30 mm in front of VP. See, one box is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, 30 mm. So next is what, again 60 mm above HP, point B. You see, this is point A is 20 mm above HP, but point B is 60 mm above HP. So from here 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, next is 45 mm. So yeah, 45 mm here. So now you have to represent. So this is 45 mm, and from here to here is 30 mm. Then from here to here is 20 mm. Then from here to here is 60 mm. Yeah. So yeah. Okay, so now they have given end projector is 70 mm. Distance between the end projector is 70 mm. Suppose if you consider here, A, so from here you have to choose 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So means at this point you should get B. Okay, at this point you should get sorry, this is small a dash, and this will be B dash, and this is A, and this is B. Okay, so how to do this? So this distance you must mention while solving the problem. Okay, this distance is how much? 70 mm. Okay, end projector distance. Yeah, so here what you wanted to find out? You wanted to find out the true length and apparent inclination. True and apparent inclination you have to find out. So means they have given, they have given apparent length. So with the help of that you have to find out the true inclination. So how to find out? Okay, very simple. Okay, we shall see. Yeah, so first I'll join from A to B dash. So I'll consider it as a B1. Okay, so I'll consider it as a B2 or B2. Okay, I'll consider it as a B2 dash. Then I'll join from here to here. So with the help of visible line I'll join. Okay, next, yeah, this is a B2. Again I'll join here also. I'll join from here to here. Okay, so yeah, now you have to find out this inclination. Okay, this is apparent inclination, so that's why I'll take alpha 1. Okay, and this is a apparent inclination beta 1. Okay, so what next? So next is what? Okay, so you have to choose this length from here to here. You have to choose this length from here to here. Next, what you have to cut an arc, or you have to draw an arc. Okay, so this arrow mark will be like this. Next, you have to extend this up to a last inclination line, sorry, last locus line. Okay, so this is what this point is. So I'll take this point is B1. Okay, so this point is okay, B1 or B, we'll take B, you know. Okay, we'll take B, and then this is what, B1. Okay, B1 dash, this is B. Yeah, so now I have to draw straight line. I have to draw straight line. So next, this is a true length. Okay, A to B1 is a true length, A to B2 is a apparent length. So this true length I have to find out. We'll see. Wait. Okay, what is the next one? So next is what you have to choose from A to B2. A to B2. Okay, you have to draw an arc. Okay, you have to draw an arc. Okay, now next you have to draw an arc. Next is what, this is a B1. Okay, this is a B1. Okay, so next from B1 you have to draw straight line up to where, up to the end point. Okay, up to the locus line you have to draw. Okay, so this point is B dash. Okay, so now I have to join from ear to ear. I have to join from ear to ear. So this is alpha, true inclination. Okay, so this is beta, true inclination. Okay, so now I have to note it down one by one. Okay, so first is what I have to note it down first. Apparent inclination. Apparent inclination. Apparent inclinations is what, alpha 1, then beta 1. Okay, so what is the alpha 1? How much you will get? Alpha 1 is what? A dash to B2 dash. Okay, don't consider A to B. You'll get around somewhere around somewhere around 30 degree. Yeah, 30 degree, and here you'll get around 12 degree. Okay, then true inclination. Apparent inclination, then true inclination is alpha, then beta. Okay, yeah, so first we shall find out the alpha. Find out the alpha. You'll get 28 degree reduced. Okay, and here you get 10 degree. Okay, so these are the things you wanted to find out. Okay, one is a true inclination and apparent inclination. Okay, so yeah, this completes the second problem in line. Okay, thank you.